Easy Mediterranean kidney bean salad recipe. A simple, protein-rich kidney bean salad with lemon and parsley. Full of texture and bright, fresh, spicy flavors, it's perfect for a healthy, light lunch or a tasty side dish. This very easy to prepare, vibrant, fresh and protein-rich kidney bean salad is rich in kidney beans, chickpeas, cucumber, sweet onion and parsley. The following ingredients are for the salad. 1 normal can, about 15 ounces, kidney beans. 1 normal can, about 15 ounces, chickpeas. 1 bundle of parsley. About half a cucumber. 1 heirloom tomato. 1 bunch of cilantro, coriander. 1 red onion. The following ingredients are for the salad dressing, or salad sauce. About half a cup of olive oil. 1 large lemon or lime for the lemon or lime juice. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon garlic. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon sumac. You can leave out, change or add 1 to 2 ingredients according to your preference. Preparation instructions. Drain and rinse the kidney beans and the chickpeas and add to a large bowl along with the chopped cucumber, onion and parsley. Put the dressing ingredients in a small bowl and give them a good stir, whisk or shake. Pour the dressing over the salad. Toss together well. Store the rest of the salad in an airtight bowl. It will keep in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. You can keep the salad a little longer by preparing it without the parsley. Then add the parsley just before serving to keep it fresh. You can also find this recipe and the preparation instructions in the description text below this video. Thanks for watching. You will find a lot of Mediterranean diet recipes on this YouTube channel.